Good day, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we're back to our latest analysis for this Monday to Wednesday, April 18 to 20, 2022. This is our English version, brought to you by Typhoon2000. We're just turned from a long holiday because of the Lenten season. By the way, belated Happy Easter to all. I hope you have a blessed Lenten season during the past 5 days. And just during my last update on Tropical Depression Agaton, it is just now that we resumed this update since we all are also having some vacation to have a rest after sleepless nights monitoring Agaton and the passage of another Typhoon Malakas, which didn't cause any threat to our country. And right now, to start the week, we are having some hot dry season going on, although in the afternoon or evening we expect some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms in most parts of the country because of the ongoing La Nina phenomenon, although it's starting to weaken. In the next few videos, we are going to give you the latest analysis or the forecast of this La Nina phenomenon, which is now starting to weaken. So let's begin with our update. Here's the graph set for today, Monday, until tomorrow, Tuesday. We don't have any developing tropical disturbances across the Western Pacific and Philippine Sea. Just the usual afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms, particularly over Mindanao. And we have here a surface trough, just a remnant during the passage of a frontal system here. And so far so good. Don't forget to drink lots of water because of the extreme heat index, high temperatures that could reach as high as more than 40 to 45 degrees centigrade. And if we take a look at the fast animation, there you go. This is the all clear animation of the Western Pacific. Just swirling clouds here, okay, over the areas of the Philippine Sea. And if we take a look at the zoom in satellite animation, there you go. It looks like it's all clear all throughout the country. But in the afternoon, as we progress this afternoon, some thunderstorms can be seen across the island of Mindanao because of the local convection building over the island. And if we take a look now at the 3-day forecast until Thursday afternoon, so tomorrow afternoon, Tuesday, we expect more thunderstorms across Mindanao with some isolated ones across Cagayan Valley, Ilocos region, Bicol region, Southern Tagalog provinces, Southern Visayas, as well as Palawan. These are smaller chances of rain showers and thunderstorms by tomorrow afternoon, Tuesday. And if we take a look on Wednesday afternoon, there will be an approaching cloudiness, which is a part of the surface trough that could bring rain showers and thunderstorms extending across the Visayas and also over the Bicol region on Wednesday afternoon. And on Thursday afternoon, continued thunderstorm activity will be expected across the areas and already extending across various sections of Luzon, including Metro Manila, Palawan, Mindoro, because of that trough. Okay, but there's nothing to worry. That trough is not expected to intensify into a low pressure system. It's just embedded within the easterly surface wind flow, which is not significant as of this time. And here's the rainfall accumulation for the next 3 days. As you can see, much of the rainfall will be expected for the next 3 days across the island of Mindanao and southern Sulu archipelago, and some isolated ones across Visayas and also here along the northern sections of Quezon. Okay, and here's the pressure and wind forecast from the European model for the next 3 days until Thursday. By tomorrow afternoon, the remnant of the surface trough can be seen here approaching the eastern sections of the country. Light northeasterly wind flow will be expected with not much effects, okay, except for Mindanao, where afternoon thunderstorms will be expected. And on Wednesday afternoon, that remnant of the surface trough will begin to bring rain showers and thunderstorms across the Visayas and Bicol region, and also on Thursday. Okay, so far that's the recap of the forecast for the next 3 days until Thursday, and we will return again on Wednesday to give you more update on the weather from Typhoon2000. This is Mike Padua reporting. Be #WeatherWiser, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, MrTyphoon.tv, YouTube channel /Mr. Typhoon, as well as our Facebook channel, MrTyphoon.com. And thank you so much for watching our channel.